Hello everyone, this is our integrative project in the company CDL. The project is one router CNC. The team is integrated by Fernando Favela, Leoncio Méndez, Arturo Sáenz y Adrián Fernández. Introduction. CDL, what does it do? CDL is a company dedicated to the production of articles and through to the use computerized numeral control (CNC) machines, which has three different types of manufacturing. Number 1. CNC plasma, CNC router, and CNC laser. The company carries out the different types of work, among which some stand such as advertisement, engraving of figures on MDF, logos, and data plates. Mission and vision of the company. Mission. We are learning 100% Mexican company committed to offering service and providing solutions to the difficulties that arise in the manufacturing, design and electronic industries through our highly qualified work team, offering our clients an assistance of excellence, quality, and guaranteed response. Plastics use the best option, investment and training in CAM, CAD, and CNC technology. Vision. To be learning company in the market for the manufacture and machine first the metal industry, bring out the technology of reform for the efficiency of our process, with competent personnel and sense of responsibility, promoting the growth and professional and comprehensive development of our collaborators, giving better customer service from the analytical point of the view, provide solutions that go beyond the short term. Problem statement. What does the client require? The assignment project consists in a CNC for the client who is dedicated to the manufacture of handcraft, who approached the company for support, but he had a slightly low budget. What is your budget? Her budget is 12,000 pesos. And how much time do you have? We have only 1 month and half of the month. General objective. First, we start with the search to components that are either economical or of good quality for the router. Afterwards, since the pace we started, I started with the design in SolidWorks program to have a clear idea of the cone it will we build. During the design, we set to give our router a plus, so we manufactured that so that is portable and easy to assemble anywhere.
Specific objectives. Research on the different components. Design in CAD server the machine. Obtain useful from the material from disarm router. Get the right tools to work. Treat the necessary pace, assembly and site router. Make the necessary conduction. Inside test to confirm operation. Justification. The CL company was connect company focused on the development of different projects. While home I was agreed to develop one of their projects to carry out, design and manufacture it, because the budget of the client who commissioned the project CNC router was very limited and the preferred margin for CDL would be minimal. For this reason, an arrangement was made for team to develop this machine as an interactive project in addition to the fact the company facilitated the use of the facilities and maturity to manufacture. The router will be designed and manufactured in a simple way to assemble and disassemble skin to facilitate assemble and disassemble to enable its mobility to favorite the use of the operates in the place. A user manual will also be developed to facilitate on the instruction of the machine for new operation. Limitation. One of the biggest limitations was the short budget sign. This type of equipment is expensive, which I want to share for materials, and the purchase was complete attending to manage the health situation to the COVID pandemic. To another part of stability remains closer to mobility is difficult, also affecting the use of price sign on part the pace were brought by digital performance and shaping company and saturate. What is a CNC machine? I can be beside the CNC machine is a machine capable of controlling the position and speed of the motors, the activity of size of the machine to perform movements difficult to achieve manuality shows as circles, diagonal lines on the three-dimensional shapes. How do it work? A root works with motor to activity the movement of the axis. The forward established pattern to our movement of machine is necessary to have two coordinates with two wheels good and for the necessary software and advantage of the machine. It's a compatibility with many software what you can trace to coordinates so like AutoCAD, Freehand, Restaurant, SolidWorks, Inventor and many more. When you have to coordinate and will move axis X, Y, and Z, you can work with your pace.
Applications. We use these two applications, SolidWorks and Match 3. Our machine needed those applications to work, using SolidWorks to make the G-code and the Match 3 to send the orders to the motors, so the machine can make a piece. Cost of different routers. We made two quotes of different routers and we noticed that they have a very high price compared to ours. It can be a great opportunity for us compared to other companies. Router design. We used SolidWorks for our machine design to select the materials and measurements because our customer didn't have the concept of the machine. Materials and purchases. There are many types of electric materials for the router's fabrication. We use step motors, CNC controllers, power supplies, and the base for our machine is steel. Also, with the client's budget, we really use it very well to buy the perfect materials for the machine. Armed and test. Once armed the base, the next step too was assemble the axles. The most difficult part was the calibration of them. When the motors and the machine were assembled, we tested the axles and it was a success.
Results. The router was built according to the customer requirements with the way that it's easier to disassemble in case the mobility is needed. The machine works correctly and the two right manuals will be great help for the clients. Also, training was given to customers on which they were able to use Vernier, QG, and CAD software, along with the software that controls the machine. As a future upgrade is considered to change the guides for some that have support with square line guides, since this will boost the resistance and the resolution when machining. Besides changing the MDF bases to aluminum bases to increase product durability, it is important to mention that all of this will depend on customer budget and if they decide to implement these upgrades. In conclusion, this project give amazing knowledge since then was forced to work under the budget and the time limitations, along the facing the difficult circumstances that COVID-19 brought worldwide, which made it hard to purchase some materials. This strengthened the teamwork abilities and the application of the knowledge acquired during the career. The experience also made them understand from first hand how is the process for some entrepreneurs. Another big achievement is the business relationship with the company CDL, with their help to collaborate on future projects, either as direct or indirect collaborators.